This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about XID tubing. If you've ever looked in the rear of your boiler and you have XID tubing, you'll notice that there's a rifling down each tube. And what that rifling's for is it aids in heat transfer. By spinning the flue gases in the tube, we're continuously mixing the flue gases for the length of the tube. And in addition to that, the raised ridges on the tube provide additional heat transfer surface. So this technology is what has enabled us to put a 1,000 horsepower boiler in a rental trailer, and has changed the shape and design of boilers from this point on into the future.